Hey there and welcome back to our channel. If you have found yourself logged out of your Facebook account and need to recover it, you are in the right place. In this quick guide, we will walk you through the steps to regain access to your Facebook account. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. If you are not already logged in, you will see the login screen. Tap on the account which you want to recover. You will be presented with the option of password field. Down in the bottom, there is the option of forgotten password. Click on it. Based on your choice, Facebook will guide you through a series of on-screen instructions. This may involve entering your email address or phone number. There you can see your account. Once you have verified your identity, you will be promoted to reset your password. Create a strong and unique password that you will remember but others can't guess. After setting a new password, you will be redirected to the login screen and tap on login. And there you go, you have successfully recovered your Facebook account on your mobile. It's that simple. Remember, it's essential to keep your login credentials secure and up to date to prevent future account access issues. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.